What's going on, man? It's Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and back at it again, man. Happy holidays. If it's a holiday for you, I appreciate everybody. We got a Buick Regal here, a beautiful Buick Regal. Gorgeous, super clean, super OG. It's a limited. Got the half rack. This is all original. This is how it comes. The car inside is just super clean. Y'all remember that leather interior back in the day? That soft leather interior? Look at this. Man, I'm telling you, you don't make it like that anymore, guys. It doesn't happen like that anymore. Super clean car. We put 24s on the car. We got the car sitting right. He didn't want to put too much work in the car. We did a small frame notch in the back. He rides perfect, no problem. We lined the front up. I believe we did a small lift in the front. Got the Buick floating caps on here. Just 24-inch spoke. It's just a super clean look. Put some wheels and tires in your car, man. Make it look right. Listen, Coast to Coast Customs always has something new. Always has something hot, man. I appreciate everybody out there. Peace. Perfect. Super OG car, you know, just clean. Keep it real clean. All classic interior in here, all original. There's no rips or anything in the leather interior. The wood green still looks superb, and it's probably 40 years old, this car, man. Just a clean driving car, man. Did a little system the guy did. A little bit of music in here. It's a clean driving car, man. You just want to drive it and just enjoy it, man. Hit the corners. Stock motor. Probably the only thing we could do differently later on, maybe if he wants to, he can do the upper and lower trailing arms in the back to adjust it, just to pull that rear wheel a little bit more centered, so we can have a little more travel, which is nice. People like to do that. People like to do also air shocks in the back, sometimes in the back. Then people get crazy. You get options. You can do upper control arms, lower control arms, tubular. You can do coilovers in a car. It just all depends how deep you want to go in these cars, man. You can ride with springs and shocks and still look good, and then later on do the whole suspension. It all depends what budget you're in, right? You got a budget if someone wants to spend $500-600. You got people who want to spend $5,000-6,000 on the car. It just depends. Or take it slowly, right? Take it piece by piece. You don't have to go all in the first time, man. You can just take your time and levels to this. You know, you can ride and enjoy the car, and then later on you can upgrade it always. You can always change it, man. Just a clean driving car. Regals, the Cutlasses, G-bodies, man. Coast to Coast Customs, we always help the customer out, and we keep them in their budget. That's the biggest thing, is keeping them in their budget, what they want to spend. You don't have to break the bank, man, to look good. You don't have to, ever. Coast to Coast, always something different, always something new. Listen, almost 27 years doing this. It's a long time. Probably before some of you guys were born, I've been doing this, man. Coast to Coast Customs. Peace.